Bye-bye. I'll be back later.
Patiently, she watched the world rush by. Rain or shine, summer or winter.
Here you go, kitty. It's okay. Come drink the milk. Go on then, little one. It's safe now. You can have a drink.
As the storm intensified, the creature of the night abandoned its post, leaving only an empty space against the roaring chaos.
Kitty, where are you? Please come back. I'm scared. Don't worry. I've got you. You're safe now. Shh, it's all right. I've got you. We're going home. I know it's hard, sweetie, but the cat is very sick.
We're doing everything we can for her.
I don't want her to leave me.
Don't worry, I'm here. Everything is going to be all right.
We need help right now, please.
Our cat stopped breathing on the way here. Is Dr. Evans available?
He's safe now. He's gonna be just fine.
Outside, the snow fell softly, but inside, the little cat was safe, bathed in the warm glow of the afternoon sun.